So, good evening everyone and a very warm welcome to all. And to all of us who are watching from home, I hope you're all doing well and you're keeping safe. So, we've all come together for the accreditation certification program that was the training workshop that was held from February 10th to February 13th in Hilton, and it was conducted by Lata and Divya, and the participants were Major Sonam Bakshi, Swati Gupta, Deepthi Yogi, Shabani Rawat and Shalin Garg, also Jia Singh. So now we'll start by calling I'll put the spotlight on Lata and I'll ask her to come to the spotlight, and I would like to share something about Lata first before she comes there. So she has 23 plus years of experience in BFSI sector and as well as recruitment. She has a lot of experience in the field of learning and training as well. And as a founder and CEO of Questa Enneagram, she's an accredited coach. So she has a lot of ways and techniques and strategies that how people can actually evolve by knowing about themselves. And she has, over the course of time, she has applied these techniques to organizations and to individuals to go further and for employee development as well. So I would like to hear from Lata how, what vision she has for Questa Enneagram and what the future will hold for it. So, Lata.
Thank you. So when Dipakshi asked me this question in the afternoon, she gave me an advance notice on the question which she's going to ask me, which is like, what's your vision for Enneagram? But anyway, I have been sleeping, breathing and sleeping Enneagram for the last 4 years, and it's nothing new. Vision is something, if I were to look into a crystal ball and if I could see how Questa Enneagram is going to be in the next 2 years, I would be throwing a huge party when we touch 1 lakh assessments. The day we have 1 lakh assessments, whether it's going to happen in 6 months or it's going to happen in a year, I'm hoping it will happen in 6 months. We go ahead and have a big party, Swati, and you need to be here for that. Vision is that we want to leave people a little better than we found them, by helping them to become more self-aware and by getting them to work on their motivations with more depth and clarity. And that doesn't, restrict Enneagram to just the B2B space. It also goes into the B2C space, towards students and towards relationships too. So that's the heart and soul of Questa Enneagram. Thank you so much for being here, all the accredited practitioners. Yes, we put you through, a very tough rigmarole. We got you to attend the 4 days of session, and after that we took you through the subjective and the objective assessment, and then we did a lot of rework on the case studies. All of you, I think, practically had to rework on your case studies, except of course someone here. Right, so thank you so much for being here today, this evening, and we are all going to be part of the Questa Enneagram, Questa Cafe team, so to speak. Thank you. Over to you.
Okay. I think that puts a lot of clarity on what Questa Enneagram is and what it beholds. Now I would like to introduce Divya. She's the CEO of the company and the co-founder. She's also an accredited coach, and she started her journey with Questa over 7 years ago as a recruitment consultant. And her journey over the years has been amazing. We have seen her grow over the time as being a diligent, committed, and also a strategic thinker, as very true to her type. So yeah, and she has a lot of experience in HRO, training and development. She has been part of a lot of projects over these years, and she comes with a lot of experience in business as well as in B2C area. So now I would like to know from Divya how her experience has been with Questa, and more how it was, being a part of as an accredited coach in the training workshop that was given to these people. So how was the experience like, and would you like to share some thoughts on that? Yeah.
So, as we have already shared also, but the journey has been great. We started with Enneagram, came across it, and at that point of time, it felt like something which was the most amazing thing, something which just told us what we were all about. why we were that certain way and what we could actually do to improve ourselves, transform ourselves, change our own lives and our perception of ourselves and the world. And the whole idea was to take this all knowledge, the understanding of how we could do this to the organizations across the country. We have done a lot of workshops, and that has given us an insight as to how the organizations can also learn and understand how they can use Enneagram to improve their employee culture, the work culture, the organization culture, as well as help each individual within the teams to maximize their own potential. So it has been a great journey, and we wish to take it forward, not just to the organization but also to individuals across, like Lata shared, for students and also for the the individuals like professionals who would want to take it forward. So the journey has been great. Thank you so much for being a part of it. We are very, very happy to have all of you take this first step in our great journey ahead as well. Thank you so much.
So now moving on to the certification ceremony, I'd like to call the first person who was part of the program. So I would like to call Major Sonam Bakshi. Now I would like to give a brief about her, and whatever I say I think would be less. But just to sum it up, she is an HR professional with over 20 years of senior human capital experience in Indian Army, and she has led multinational corporates in IT as well as in financial sector. And she has ventured out into corporate world after 7 years of service in armed forces, and she holds an MBA from IIM Indore. Also, she's an outspoken exponent of gender diversity. So yeah, there's a lot to learn from her, I think. And we're pleased to have her on the team. So thank you so much, Sonam, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You had a question to ask her, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So before you go, Sonam, I wanted to know from you, I mean, how it has been, using Enneagram in trainings, and what is your experience with the whole training session, training workshop that happened?
Yes, of course. And Enneagram, for the first time I experienced in the year 2018 when I was the CHRO for Clicks Capital. That's the first time I understood what Enneagram is all about, but I think I again did it in 2019 and 2020, and that is the time I actually went into the report, understood what it is all about, and also in my own journey realized how important it is for us to be self-aware. Even during pandemic time, when I see how people are getting more and more involved in understanding themselves and how mental health is important in everyone's life, I think Enneagram plays a very important role for us to know why we are where we are, because it talks about the childhood patterns that make us who we are, and it also helps us to navigate through the tool, with the help of the tool, into building our own strengths to create a niche for ourselves. It is not a personality assessment, it is a self-discovery tool. That's what makes it very different from other tools. And self-discovery is the first discovery to understand anybody else's personality. So that's what the uniqueness of Enneagram brought. And I thought it would be great that if I can bring that difference to the world in terms of spreading the self-awareness. So,
Thank you so much, Sonam, for sharing your thoughts on it. So the next person that I would like to call is Shadi Garg, and I would like Divya to come and honor him. So about Shadi, he works with C-level executives across Accenture, and he's responsible for many multi-million dollar businesses in shaping strategy and forming partnerships, also executing vision to reality. And he holds an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, and he has an experience of over 25 years. He's focused on building new businesses and practices from concept to scale and forming new partnership, and I'm sure he's going to do great in corporate after learning about Enneagram. Congratulations, Shani. So, Shani, I just wanted to know, since you have been in the corporate industry for, I don't know, I mean, it's been long, right? So, I mean, what do you think how Enneagram is going to shape the workplace scenario, and how it is going to be helpful in organizations?
Sure, thank you. Thanks for asking that, because I think that's a very relevant theme. Because now more and more, as you see in corporates, what's happening is there's a lot of the young generation, the Gen X, if we really see that, what's happening, 70% of the workforce is in Gen X, and they want to just progress, different experiences and progress. Now what happens in that is that you lose the whole sense of yourself because you are running after something. Now, how do you really inculcate that? How do you really bring into who am I and what do I really want to do? Kind of, if you see what Enneagram does is, if you look into one dimension, right, what do you see? You see a line. And then if you start looking into two dimensions, you see a page. Right? And if you start looking into three dimensions, right, which our world is, then you start seeing a box. So who knows, how many other dimensions are there? And the more dimensions that you can see for yourself, the better you know yourself and the better you understand the world better. So that's the whole idea of Enneagram, the way I see in corporates, the more, and the younger people, right? Usually what happens is you start top down. And those people are like, they have seen a whole lot of life. But if the younger people also start seeing this, then their whole life can benefit from it. It's not like, why live 20 years in a way which is not the most useful way for you to live. The sooner you start, the better it is. I think that's the role Enneagram can play.
Absolutely. I think it plays a big role for the person to know about what their aim is and what their competencies are in order to move forward in the workplace. So well said, Charlie. Thank you so much and congratulations. So the next person that I would like to call is Deepthi Yogi, and I would like to call Anurag Kanadia. So Deepthi is a search specialist for mission-focused business, and she led talent acquisition and Hyde, focusing on identifying global disruptive talent and laying the foundation for hyper growth before this. And she's also been advising growth stage ventures at RGM Executive Search India. And prior to this, she has also worked with Statin Chase Operations and Elixir. And she carries a lot of experience under her belt. And she is hoping to make a change with that, with Enneagram. So I would like to know her thoughts on how to use it in future and what her experience has been.
Yeah, thank you for this, Lata and Divya, and I think it's wonderful. I think Enneagram for me, my experience, firstly, I think the team is fantastic. The team, which is, I don't think we could have asked for a better team to sort of run this for the market in India. So my experience has been wonderful. I also want to sort of quote Buddha, and that sort of for me summarizes Enneagram's essence, which is it's easier to conquer yourself than win 1,000 battles. So I think that's what Enneagram is for each one of us, and I think for my own personal journey as well, knowing my own strengths and weaknesses and where the patterns are coming from was a life changer. And if we can do this for others, and bring that or plant that little seed of thought and put that person on that journey, I think our job's done. I mean, the world will be so much better if we are all a little more aware of ourselves than the whole world around us. So I think that sums Enneagram.
Yeah. Thank
For
you
me.
so much. Okay. So the next person that I would like to call is Shivani Rawat, and I would like to call Divya to congratulate her and honor her. Shivani is the co-founder of Shiny Transformation, and she's certified corporate trainer, counselor, international brand retailer professional, healer, tarot card reader, and also an intuitive guide. So she has a lot of experience under her belt, and she carries a lot of titles with her. And she has worked in the international brands for 15 years as a brand manager. And she has also ventured in the fields of learning and development to exercise her passion and of bringing about self-development and transformation. And she loves to share her experience with people to bring about the change in them. So I would like to ask Shivani how, do you think Enneagram is going to help with that over the journey for people to self-awareness and self-discovery so that they can get a little more tuned to themselves and learn about themselves? How do you think it's going to help with their self-discovery?
Okay, firstly, I want to thank Lata and Divya. Thank you so much. And like Deepthi said, the team is great, and thank you to the team also for this. So what I feel is like they say that the first step for transformation is self-awareness. And we always need certain kind of tool. And what better tool than Enneagram? I mean, when I got to know Enneagram, I was completely like, there are such lovely steps with that you can actually be aware of, self-awareness is the first tool for any kind of transformation. So I think Enneagram is something that's going to, and definitely, and especially with, with COVID and with virus, there has been a mental health, and emotional health. So Enneagram is really going to support, and of course, the more people it reaches, the better it's going to be for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shivani. I'm sure you're going to inspire a lot of us with whatever you do next with your workshops, and we look forward to it.
Thank you.
So
Thank
the
you
next
so much.
person that we would like to honor is Swati Gupta. She is currently enjoying the sun in Goa, so apparently she couldn't be with us. But we still hope and we miss her presence here. Nevertheless, we would like to honor her and congratulate her. She is an HR specialist.
I'm missing you there, but thank you so much.
Do you want to face it more?
Yeah. Here?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so this way you can see everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what are the questions you want to ask?
Yeah,
or you can
first
ask
I would like to tell about Swati. She has 18 years of experience across sectors like BFSI, ITS and media, and she has worked with Edelweiss, Ingersoll Bank, HCL Technologies, and a lot of big brands that are there nowadays. And she has a passion to work in the social development space and contribution to increasing inclusivity and employability. So my question to Swati would be, how your experience in Engram has been, and what are your learnings from this experience? As we have her as an Engram accredited coach as well, so I would like to know her learnings and what she would like to, how she plans to carry out those learnings in her trainings.
Thanks. Thank you so much for the effort that everyone has put in to bring us to this stage. I think everyone's taken a lot of patience and done so much of planning, organizing at the back end. So thank you to the entire team who's been here. So there are people like Surubi, Shaurya and all who are not around also. But thanks to everyone. So when I got introduced to Enneagram, I was actually at the stage of my professional life where I was trying to see what next, how do I skill myself, and what do I want to do to skill myself. And I was just lucky that I got in touch with Lata at that time, and she introduced me to Enneagram. And the way I was able to understand myself, considering the other tools also that I've experienced, I was very surprised that there is a way to really find out so much more about yourself and to see yourself in such a different lens which no one had ever used before. And as I got it done for other friends and family, and when I saw some other people who are also part of this accreditation program go through it, I think my belief in the concept became stronger. And I'm still peeling the layers and loving it and getting to get a perspective, a new perspective every day. And sometimes the realization gives you that, oh, there's another way to look at it, and this is why this is happening, and this is why this person behaves this way. So I think the tool has really helped me to understand myself better, and I feel now I have a way to make a change in other people's lives. So my intention is to try and use that as a coach and hopefully be able to help people to maximize their potential. So thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you for sharing your insights, and congratulations again. We are really glad to have you as a part of our team. So moving forward, I would like to call Jia Singh. So she has been with the team for the past 1 year. She has worked on the assessment and everything, and whatever Enneagram is at this level, she has had a huge contribution in making it reach to this level. And she has done her bachelor's in applied psychology from MIT, and she is going in August to do her master's in industrial psychiatry and psychology from King's College London. And she has been an integral part of the team. Also, she has a lot of diplomas under her belt and a lot of certifications in body language and how psychology impacts people. So I would like to know from Jia how the experience has been with Questa, how it has been working on Enneagram, and how do you think it will affect people in future?
Okay. Firstly, I'm going to start with how the experience has been. Considering it was my first job, the experience has been great. The tool in itself has been amazing, and it has helped me a lot. It has made me a lot more calmer now. The fact that I'm standing here without breaking into a sweat and talking without any hiccups in my throat is like a big achievement for me personally. So I think that's a great deal that I have achieved personally. And secondly, I think in my relationships it has helped a lot. I always used to crib to my parents that you guys don't understand me and you don't see my point of view. But now that I understand them and how their personality has shaped up, and I can understand their point of view, so I think that has helped me a great amount. Coming to the team, I think this is all because of them. I have the three of them to thank for this, and of course Shaurya and Surbhi who are not here. And of course, Sonam and Swati have been an integral part throughout. They've given their valuable inputs throughout this journey. And I look forward to connecting with Shalini, Deepti and Shivani through the journey. So I guess that is it. I'm excited to use this in my journey forward whenever I do come back from my master's, and I hope that I can use this in the coming years because it's a great tool. It brings in a lot of self-awareness and a lot of openness to a person to change. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jia.
Although I think Cooper and Joey have made their special appearances, but one person because of whom this would have been possible is Rajneesh. So I would like to call him to the spotlight. And he is the co-founder and managing director. He has a career that spans over 30 years in leadership roles in banking and financial sector. And I don't think I need to mention his experience or what he has did, because I don't think I am half of what he has done. I don't reach to half of that. So I would like to know from Rajiv, what experience has it been? What was the vision behind Questa? Although Lata has shared her vision, but what it was for you when you thought of bringing Enneagram to workplace? Also, you plan to expand it in future. So what is it that you have in mind?
Well, my thoughts, actually I have been interacting, working with Enneagram for the last, I think, 5 years, ever since Lata got certified with Enneagram, and I have been attending workshops, and ever since I've seen Lata in the workshops and the way she has been going about, I felt this is a concept which needs to be brought into India. And Enneagram is not popular at all in this part of the world. So my vision was, let me bring Enneagram into India and let's make it happen. So we started about 5 years back with a paper and pencil. We did a lot of workshops, and then we finally said, let's bring in technology. And using technology, we launched it last October. And now we have plans for the future where we are bringing in first for corporates. We are shortly bringing it out for the front-end salespeople, then we'll bring it out for students, and then finally we'll bring out a concept for relationships. That's the journey which Enneagram is going to have over the years. And today I welcome all of you, and I also, in the same breath, I would like to thank all of you for being part of Questa Enneagram and help us in this journey going ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I would also like to thank all the other people who have been part of the team, who are, at the back end. Sarah, who's behind the lens, has been working since morning to make this happen. Himanshi for her valuable inputs, and Sukriti as well for helping us organize this. So I would really like to thank everybody for coming together and sparing our time in this difficult situation to celebrate this. And again, congratulations to everybody for being here. Though the accreditation ceremony has finished, we have come to an end, but the party is still on. And I hope you guys enjoy yourselves till the night. And for whoever is watching us at home, have a safe night, have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys next. Bye-bye.